Need to ship your car from the US to Moldova? This video covers the exact steps, costs, documents, and best methods for a safe and efficient delivery to Moldova with A1 Auto Transport. Moldova has modern roads in its main cities, but limited public transportation. Having your own vehicle is ideal for long-term stays. Car imports are growing, and A1 Auto Transport ensures your vehicle arrives safely no matter where you're headed: Chisinau, Tiraspol, Bender, or beyond. Shipping a car to Moldova usually costs between $2,600 and $6,100, depending on where in the US you're starting and the shipping method used. Save money by delivering your vehicle to the nearest port. There are two trusted methods for shipping your car to Moldova. Tip: use a 20 or 40 container if you need to ship household goods with your car. To clear US and Moldova customs, prepare these documents. Submit your paperwork 10+ days in advance to avoid delays. Before shipping your car to Moldova, follow these key prep steps, especially if using RoRo for container shipping. You may include other personal or household items. Shipping your car to Moldova doesn't have to be complicated. With A1 Auto Transport, you'll get expert service, full logistics support, and peace of mind every step of the way.